subscribe channel, like, and comment video.
Hidden under the Sahara Desert. The Sahara Desert is the largest hot desert in the world, covering much of North Africa. To many people, it looks like an endless ocean of sand, dry, empty, and lifeless. But beneath this vast desert lies a hidden world full of water, history, fossils, and mysteries. Scientists have discovered that the Sahara was not always a desert. Under its sands are clues that tell the story of a very different past. 1. A green Sahara in the past thousands of years ago, the Sahara was green and full of life. Around 10,000 to 5,000 years ago, this region experienced heavy rainfall. Grasslands, rivers, and lakes covered much of the land. This period is often called the Green Sahara. Under the sand, scientists have found ancient riverbeds, lake sediments, fossils of fish and plants. Satellite images show long, buried river systems that once flowed across the desert. Some of these rivers were as large as the Nile. When the climate changed and rains stopped, the land slowly turned into desert, and sand buried everything beneath it. 2. Hidden underground water, aquifers. One of the most important things hidden under the Sahara is water. Deep underground are massive water reservoirs called aquifers. The largest of these is the Nubian Sandstone Aquifer System, which stretches under Egypt, Libya, Sudan, and Chad. This water is very old, called fossil water, comes from ancient rainfall thousands of years ago, is used today for farming and drinking in some desert regions. Even though the surface is dry, these underground waters support modern desert cities and agriculture. Without these hidden aquifers, life in many Saharan regions would be impossible. 3. Lost rivers and lakes. Under the sand lie the remains of giant lakes and wetlands. One famous example is Lake Megachad, which once covered an area larger than today's Caspian Sea. Its remains are now hidden beneath sand in parts of Chad, Niger, and Nigeria. Scientists have discovered lake shorelines, fish fossils, mud, and clay deposits. These findings prove that the Sahara once had enough water to support large ecosystems. 4. Ancient human civilizations. The Sahara also hides evidence of ancient human life. Before the desert formed, people lived, farmed, and traveled across the region. Archaeologists have found stone tools, pottery burial sites, rock art showing animals and daily life. Cave paintings in places like Tassili in Algeria, show giraffes, elephants, cattle, boats, and people swimming. These images confirm that humans lived there when the land was fertile. Many ancient settlements are still buried deep under sand, waiting to be discovered. 5. Fossils of ancient animals. The Sahara hides fossils of animals that once lived there millions of years ago. These fossils show that the region went through many climate changes. Discoveries include dinosaur bones, prehistoric crocodiles, ancient whales, and marine creatures. The presence of whale fossils tells scientists that parts of the Sahara were once underwater, covered by ancient seas. This proves that the land has changed dramatically over millions of years. 6. Meteorite impact sites. Several meteorite impact craters are hidden beneath the Sahara's sands. One of the most famous is the Kibera crater, which may be one of the largest impact sites on Earth. Because sand covers these craters, they are difficult to study. Scientists often rely on satellite images and radar to detect them. These impacts may have affected Earth's climate and environment in the distant past. 7. Strange geological formations. The Sahara contains mysterious shapes and structures visible from space. Some are natural, formed by erosion and wind, while others are still debated. Examples include circular formations, ring-like mountains, unusual rock patterns. One famous feature is the Rishat structure, Eye of the Sahara, in Mauritania. It looks like a giant eye from space. Scientists believe it is a geological formation caused by erosion, not an ancient city, but it remains a subject of fascination. 8. Valuable natural resources. Hidden beneath the Sahara are vast natural resources that are important to modern economies. These include Oil and natural gas, gold, uranium, iron, ore. Many North African countries depend on these hidden resources for income. Exploration continues, but harsh desert conditions make mining difficult. 9. Libyan desert glass. In parts of the Sahara, especially in Egypt and Libya, scientists have found strange yellow-green glass called Libyan desert glass. It was formed about 29 million years ago, likely by a powerful meteor impact or airburst. Ancient Egyptians valued this glass. A piece of it was even used in the jewelry of Pharaoh Tutankhamun. It is another example of something rare and valuable hidden beneath the sands. 10. Secret still waiting to be found. Despi.